So welcome Saviko, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So in this video, I'm going to talk regarding how Java is important for all the candidates who are aspiring for an IT job. So yes, many of my viewers are either from college or an aspirant of an IT job or a fresher IT engineer. So how Java is important for them, I'm going to discuss regarding this. Not only Java, related object oriented programming languages, how it play a vital role in order to build up your building, or how it act like a backbone in order to build up your whole system. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I am an IT guy just like you all, and yes, I am making this video. I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. चलो बात को शुरू करते हैं. बात को यहाँ तक रखने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, because अभी तो आप सुन रहे थे कि how Java is important, object oriented programming, how it is actually important. So let's start. See, as you all know, object-oriented programming is a kind of a backbone whenever you are into any of the IT service industry. Just remember, if you are a fresher job, if you are into 2023 batch, you might be seeing that adapt training that is happening. Might be you might have been assigned with any of the object-oriented programming language, or all the candidates who are recently joined in any of the job, they might have seen the training period. They have to go through a proper Java training or object oriented training depending upon the company to company. So that is a baseline training what I can think about. Like in Accenture also, initial screening based on Java, initial test screening and all are based on Java. In fact, any of the company, if I'm talking about service IT industry like Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant, TCS, and anywhere, you might have seen that Java. Why Java? So first of all, I would like to tell you, like, yes, in IT company, you may get multiple domain. Multiple domain can be anything like SFDC, Microsoft Dynamics, AI, Power BI, VLSI, or anything. It can be anything, XYZ, anything. But the baseline is like, see, anything need a logic building. Anything need a concept, object-oriented concept. So yes, building your logic through all this thing help you to grab the thing properly whenever you are into some other technology. Like, let's take an example of Java, and let's take an example of any of the technology like SFDC or SAP. So like in Java, you know, each and everything has been classified into class and object. Like you start thinking related to that yes, Java help you to build a logic as well as backbone as well as your thinking capability, so that you can map the things properly. Like Java will be acting like in backbone whenever you are going to Salesforce, Apex, LWC. All the languages are based out of Java. In fact, when you are knowing Java, definitely most of the interviews that you are appearing in, your basic interview is clear with the Java only. Java object oriented programming. Yes, DSC is another part. That is a problem solving skill. But yes, the basic skill that an IT engineer or software engineer should inculcate in themselves is based out of object oriented programming. So what I would suggest you all, like all my viewers, if you are in college, you are in first year, you are in second year, third year, fourth year, definitely take a baseline language and go through an object oriented total learning of that language. Maybe Java, maybe object oriented programming in C. So you just need to do one thing, that make it as a baseline, try to learn it first, because once your fundamentals are strong, definitely if any of the technology you are learning, either it be Apex, LWC, triggers, everything will be very much clear to you. So Java will be just like an ABCD when you are entering into any of the technology. अब ये मत समझ लेना यार बहुत टफ है क्या टेक्नोलॉजी लर्निंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you are good enough in Java, you can make anything. That's true. If your condition is true in Java, if you are a best logic builder, if you are a good logic builder, if you can build logic easily, definitely you can move ahead with a better way. So all the fresher, all the college student, I would recommend that yes, for placement, if you are preparing for an IT job, software IT job, go through object oriented programming. That's my personal suggestion. You can find out related content like Code with Harry. He has given a beautiful lecture on Java. In spite, you can check out the Geeks for Greeks Hacker Rank. From there also you can go through a conceptual learning in Java. Why? How Java can be helpful? See, whenever you are building any of the CRM, maybe any of the ERP, each and everything will be related to an object and class and object. Just like you can see an example, like if you are building a school management system, it may be like you need some of the objects, like suppose if you are building a module name as fee collection app. So for that, some of the objects are needed. All the things are interrelated. Go deep dive into it. You will definitely love the things that you are thinking for. Now मैं कुछ और बातें बोलूंगा. Technology learning, how technology learning may be helpful. Many of you might have seen people just in initial years going into direct machine learning. That's, I'm not stopping you to do so. If you have interest, you can definitely learn that. But as a general process, as a raw process, as an average process, what I would say, like, start with Java. It will only take 2 months of your time. If you are dedicating 3 hours a day, 3 hours or 2 hours means on an average 2 to 3 hours a day, it will take a 2 to 3 months in order to grasp the things. Once your baseline is strong, definitely you will be easily able to move ahead in the journey of Java. So go deep dive into it, try to learn the things, and definitely it can be helpful. This is one of the pro tips if you are moving with the placement, that is, keep your baseline strong, then only move ahead with the other things. अभी भी टाइम है, like if you are from 2024 preparing for 2024 placement, अभी बहुत टाइम है, या स्टार्ट कर दो. अभी मई जून जुलाई चल रहा है, इस 3 महीने में जावा को क्लियर करो. आफ्टर दैट प्रोजेक्ट बिल्डिंग पे ध्यान दो, डेफिनेटली विल मेक इट. So what are the trending technology that you might be seeing right now? So what are the technologies that you might be seeing, what you may be getting? And yes, once you are into an IT industry, what exactly you need to do? So first of all, you need to take care, like whenever you enter an IT industry, you will be allotted to a random IT project of any technology depending upon the business requirement. It will be not depending upon your level of intelligence, but it will be depending upon the level of their business requirement, what kind of technology needs how much, how many number of people. So it will be depending upon that. So yes, being strong in Java gives you an backbone or give you an confidence to learn any of the technology easily, whether it be anything. If you are thinking like BI, AI, development, non-development, anything it can be, SFDC to Microsoft Dynamics, Power BI, Power Tableau, anything if you are thinking integration, anything. So yeah, to move ahead, just keep calm and move ahead in this journey with a backbone named as Java. For all private service and private college student, I would definitely recommend that yes, go with the Java and yes, make the best that you can. Also, I'd like to tell you, if you want to know something more regarding placements and all, you can book a 1-to-1 slot. You can find a link in my description box. Also, you can find a link in my bio. Over there is a 15-minute slot, 30-minute slot, for 1 hour slot, so that we can connect with you. I can connect with you and we can discuss regarding anything more apart from this, what I have talked in the video, so that they can give you an insight, because many of you want to know something personally, what exactly you should do. So I thought, in fact, it may be resume building, placement preparation, stats, for how to move ahead in the service IT placement stats. प्रोडक्ट के लिए तो मेरे पास मत आना, बट हाँ सर्विस IT इंडस्ट्री, कंसल्टिंग, बिग फोर कॉलेज, प्राइवेट कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट स्टैट, सब कुछ के लिए आ सकते हो, and I can guide you in a better way. Let's keep this video till here. If you think this video was a little bit of also informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. तब तक के लिए take care and all the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement time, job change, switching and all the upcoming events. चलो मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में एक नई informative content के साथ. तब तक के लिए bye.